this video, we will show how to unpack and assemble the Bonro B807 gaming chair. This chair is in the affordable segment, mid-price range, and has such a dense packaging and quite a pleasant appearance. Its modification is gaming. Change Bonro B807. It has a weight of 13 kilograms, not that, and a gross weight of 15 kilograms, and dimensions of 81 by 32 by 58 centimeters. Here you can see the appearance. It's quite a good chair, mainly for women and girls, because it's pink. Now we are unpacking the box, and let's see. Everything inside is well packed.
Wait.
There are such cushions for the back and lower back, in pink and white. And also, there is a base on which the wheels are installed, and the main supporting part. Our Tim found the instructions. They are in English, but they are not needed here because everything is clear without words. In a separate box, there is a set of bolts and all the accessories for assembling the chair. We will unpack it later. Also, the main parts, the seat, the backrest, which need to be assembled, as well as two pink and white armrests. Inside, there are all the components, the wheels, which need to be assembled now. First of all, you need to take the supporting base, the wheels, and the gas lift with its cover, and assemble everything together. The chair wheels have a locking washer that should fit into its slot on the leg of the base. So just press it until the ring clicks into place. Now, turn the supporting base over and insert it. It has this cartridge. It looks like this. Just place it in all the way down. After that, we take the lower part, the seat, the base, with the regulator and 4 hex bolts. A hex key is included in the set, so we won't need any additional tools. We place this leg on the seat and screw it in at 4 points. Now we take the backrest of the chair, the T-shaped stand, and using 3 screws with 3 washers, we attach it to the backrest. Please note that this T-shaped part is slightly bent, so it should be attached in such a way that the bent part is facing outward. The caps on the pipe are installed. They are black in color, and they are plastic. They insert easily. We attach this crosspiece in place. After that, we place the seat on the crosspiece to make it easier to mount the back part. Here it simply fits into its place very tightly. And you can proceed to mount the backrest onto its connector. Now we insert the supporting part of the chair's backrest into this hole. And tighten it with a bolt. Now the chair is almost assembled, but it still has a lot of movement between the backrest and the seat. Therefore, armrests need to be installed here. The armrests are slightly different here because they have this inner part, left and right. To secure the armrests on the left and right sides of the chair, you need to take 2 of these strong bolts, the longest ones, and 2 caps. And we will start screwing them in at 2 points from the bottom and the top. And we attach such a handle under the elbow. On the other side, after that, we take 2 decorative plastic caps and cover the bolt holes of the armrests. Now the chair is assembled. All that's left is to install the lumbar cushion and the top headrest. For this, we take these straps that have plastic clips. Here, on the cushion, there is a zipper that allows you to wash the cover if necessary. Then we thread these straps under the seat hinge and pass the strap through one of the holes and snap the straps at the back. And after that, we take the top headrest and fasten it through these holes at the back. Now the chair is assembled. We just need to check how the seat lifting and lowering mechanism works, as well as the backrest. There are 2 levers on the right side, which allow you to adjust each position. Pressing the side lever raises it, and moving the other lever adjusts the backrest higher or lower. How does it feel to sit comfortable?
Yeah.
Nothing's in the way, not pressing.
No.
The headrest isn't in the way, everything's good. The backrest isn't pressing.
No.
Is the chair comfortable? Then we'll continue learning on it. So the quest is completed, and it can be used for studying and working with the computer.